Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE S60, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the phone to a storage and vice versa. So I'm going to first open up camera and capture a couple of photos just so I have something to transfer. There we go, that should be good enough. So to start off, let's open up our file manager application, which for me right here is right over here. File manager, a brown folder. Let's open it, allow if it pops up with any kind of request to access some storage or stuff like that. And from here you should see your two storages. So internal, which is the phone, and then SD card below that. Let's start with the phone storage, and in here as you can see there's a bunch of folders. Now the most important ones are three of them. So DCIM, which contains photos, videos captured with the device. Download, which will contain anything that you have downloaded either through a web browser or email. It all will be saved in here. And then pictures, which will contain screenshots. So find your files that you want to move, copy, whatever it is, which as you can see mine are right in the camera folder right here under the DCIM. And once you find them, all you need to do is hold it. As you will see, it gets selected like this, and from there you can tap on additional ones to select more. Once you have selected all the files that you want, you will have two options, copy or cut. So select whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with cut for this one, and when you tap on it you can see that these change. Now you have a paste option, and what you want to do now, once you have basically cut it or copy it, is you want to navigate to the area that you want to move the files to. So I'm gonna move it to SD card, so I'm just gonna back all the way to home, select SD card, and simply drop it in here by tapping on that clipboard. And you can see that it moved them to the SD card now. So that is basically how you move files, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.